Okay, this breaker here is one that we've been having trouble with. Here you can see this same sleeve. Here's the hole that you put a screw in to defeat the close button. The hole is currently lined up with that slot, which means if we put a screw in there, the close button will not operate. We need that sleeve to rotate slightly so that it will enable the close button. So as you can see, when I rack this in, this sleeve is bound up so tight on this shaft that the sleeve is rotating with the shaft. It's almost as though there's a screw in there right now. I'm going to rack it all the way in. Okay, we're in. I'm going to charge it in. You can see that this button is disabled. And what's happening is when you push the button, it's attempting to rotate that sleeve due to some mechanical parts back in there. It's wanting to rotate it, but that sleeve is so tight on that shaft that it won't allow it to do it. So I'm going to take that sleeve and I'm going to rotate it by hand, pliers. There you go. I moved it just a little bit with pliers, and you can just push the button really easy. So the issue is the lubrication on here. This little sleeve that goes from this side over to the other side is just bound tight on that shaft. There's some sort of maintenance issue or something there that's making that be tight.